In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly link to Zapier. Now, the first thing you have to do here on Zapier, click on Create top left, and then click on Zaps for automated workflows. Now, whenever you do that here, it's going to take you to a page, okay? And then you want to select a trigger for which you want to click on Trigger, and then you want to search for Calendly. There we go, and then you want to click on it. And then here you basically just have to select an event. So the trigger event, I'm going to click on it. And for this, I'm going to just click on invitee created over here for an example. And then down here, you have to connect Calendly. So I'm going to click on sign in. It's going to open up a separate tab over here. And it's going to ask me to actually connect to Calendly. I'm going to click on it. And then you will basically have to sign in. For me, I'm signed in already, as you can see. So this have done it automatically. And after that, you have to just select the action you want to take over here inside a separate app, and that is basically going to create your Zap. Okay, so that's how easy it is to connect Calendly. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.